Hi everyone, Nerf Master here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Adventure Force Tactical Strike Titanium. I know my channel name is the Nerf Master, but pretty much all Nerf channels I know have videos dealing with toy guns from other brands. So Titanium comes with blaster itself, which is pump action and hopper fed, 8 power strike rounds, which look kind of sci-fi. And some team markers, so you can tell what team you're actually on. It's kind of like a rival fan flags for a rival fan core sub-series. And then just had to install those pieces. You just remove 3 pieces or whatever is there before. And then I'm just using Team Red as an example. You just install the pieces to it. Yeah. And with Rival Fan Core Sub Series, you attach flags to. You can attach flags to your blasters to represent what team you're on. Then to load up the hopper, you just open up the store and dump in your power strike rounds. And this definitely looks like it can hold more than 8 rounds. I don't know why they only had dart zones. Whoever made this decided to sell it with only 8 power strike rounds. And then dart zone. But yeah, like I said earlier, this is pump action. The box doesn't have any range claims, but it does have performance claims. So the performance claims are that it has performance, FPS, yeah, and it has a button for you to release the hopper. If I can actually get this to work. Instructions. So yeah, this is reset switch, so you can reset it. Blaster. Locked. I'll create this thing. Yeah. And power strike rounds are kind of similar to rival rounds. They look more sci-fi than rival rounds, but I believe rival rounds would be a bit more aerodynamic. So release switch. Yeah. Let's try to a rival magazine. So luckily I have rival blasters. Actual rival blasters to see whether this will take rival magazines. So yeah. And it does take rival magazines, but I don't think it's designed for rival magazines. So I'm testing out the Zeus mag. So works just fine with 12 magazines. Yeah. I only tested it once. Works just fine with the rival magazines. So if you have a Apollo, Zeus, Atlas, any rival blaster that comes with either of these rival magazines, if you buy a Dart Zone Titanium, the blaster titanium will function with these magazines. Yeah. So, and this, yeah. So you can have interchangeable box mags if you had. So like if you were in a rival war, you could, if you had a bunch of rival magazines on you, and you're completely fine with not being able to see with from using the top of the blaster as a way to aim it, which can't even do with the hopper. Go for using the rival magazines. It's relatively easy to change rival magazines. Yeah, hopper release button on top is kind of like a magazine release button on any magazine fed blaster that Nerf makes. So, like, for the for my Strife, this is the magazine release button. You can easily release your end strike magazines. The hopper release button works the same way. And also, Dart Zone does sell their Power Strike rounds separately, so you can buy more of them if you want to. So, but one thing about the G mark on this blaster is that if the blaster is pointed right at your face, probably wouldn't be able to identify what team they were on just by the blaster alone. But if you saw them shooting towards the right side or left side of you, direction wise, not actually towards your body, then you can identify what team they're on. Unless these green ones were in, or you had different colors on both sides. So like, if I put in this blue thing and I keep the red thing on the other side, if the blaster is pointed like this, you might think I'm on team blue. Well, if the blaster is pointed like this, you might think I'm on team red. But with green ones, you can't even tell at all with the blaster alone. So, do I think this is what the Apollo should have been? Honestly, it's pump action, which is good. and many people made mod kits for making the Apollo a pump action blaster, but those don't come with the Apollo. There are a few rival pump action blasters, like the Atlas, which is a rival shotgun, and the Artemis, which is a blaster that has it loads from 3 built-in 10-round magazines. So, one problem with the Apollo is the annoying crime. You have to use the back of this Apollo as a stock when it's not built to be a stock. It's like the only, yeah. And even after firing the Apollo just once, this part of my body kinda hurts for I'm using the back of the Apollo as a stock. It's not built to be a stock, but the titanium doesn't have that problem because it doesn't even have a stock at all. You can easily use it without a stock. And plus, it has a relatively high capacity. Only problem with loading system on the top is, and sticking out of the blaster, is that you can't exactly aim with that thing. With this thing. So overall, would I recommend this to anyone looking into rival or rival compatible blasters? Yes, I'd recommend this because it's pump action, so it can have a decent rate of fire. It's hopper fed but compatible with Untitled magazines, so you can adjust your capacity. And also, it doesn't really have too many of the problems of the Apollo. Yeah, so yeah, and it's also fan core, so if you want to have 2 of them to represent 2 different teams, you don't have to buy 2 blasters. You can just buy just one and just alternate the pieces on this thing to represent what team you're on. So yeah, I definitely recommend it for anyone looking into rival. But the Power Strike rounds look more sci-fi than rival rounds, but rival rounds are probably going to be more accurate than Power Strike rounds because rival rounds have dimples in them, while Power Strike rounds have a bunch of triangles over them, which form hexagons. So, yeah. And the blaster might look kind of futuristic. So, and also, I got this for $17 before tax at Walmart. So, and at most other stores, you can't get the list price of a standard Apollo is $20, and at Target for Fancore Apollo, I believe it's $25. So yeah, definitely a good pick if you want to get into rival. Even though it's not Nerf, definitely, it's still a good pick. Anyways, Nerf Master here, signing out. Goodbye.